Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to clear Chrome history on your Android phone. So there is a two-type history. First, when you trying to search on your search bar, there is a suggestion come history suggestions, so you can delete it. Or second is I'll show you how you can delete your how you can clear your browsing history. So I'm going to show you in my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here I'm on my Android phone. So first let me open Chrome browser. So I'm opening my Chrome browser. So as I told you, there is a two type of history. First is suggestion. So if I go to the my Google and if I try to search something, there is a suggestion. You can see this is also history. You can delete it. How you can delete? For that you have to log in with your you if you already log in with your account, then you have to log in with your account, then go to the search here my activities, then go to the welcome to my activities, this first link open, and then go to the history here. Okay, and go to the delete option and go to the all time, and here also you can unselect all, if you want to select only. If you want to delete history for Google search, you can select Google search, or you can delete everything and click on next, then clear history. So it is done. So let me come back and check if it is deleted or not. So I'm on my Google login. Okay, so okay, so guys, I'm on my Google. So let me try to search something. Here you can see the all history has been deleted, only one has come because it is recently. So you can delete it from here and just delete. Okay, so this is for your suggestion. And if you want to delete your browsing history of your browser, just go to the three dot option and go to the history, click on history. I will show you again. Go to the three dot and go to the history. Now go to the clear browsing history, and here you will see two options, which is basic and advanced. What is the difference between basic and advanced? In basic you will see the only three options: browsing history, cookies, site, and caches and images. But in advanced you will see more options, which is save password, autofile, and site setting. You can delete everything. If you want to delete everything, you should go in advanced, and from here you have to select time range. Select all time if you want to delete everything, or if you want to delete only last 24 hours or last 7 days or last 4 weeks, you can delete it by selecting 7 days or whatever and just clear data. Or same procedure you can follow on basic, just select everything. If you want, select time range and clear it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.